Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use your own audio in Riffusion. Let's dive right in. First, open up Riffusion and head to your dashboard. At the top, you'll see a banner that says Create Music. Next to it, there's a cloud icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll upload your own audio file. Choose a file from your device, any sound that you want to use. Once you've selected it, click Open. Now that your audio is uploaded, you'll see two main options. First, you can type in lyrics for the track, and below that, there's a space to add a prompt. This is where you describe the kind of sound or vibe you're going for. Once you're happy with everything, click the Generate button. Riffusion will now start processing. This may take a few seconds, depending on your audio and settings. When it's done, you'll be able to listen to the final output, your own audio, now reimagined as a musical piece using AI. You can play it, tweak it, or even start over with a different vibe. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created music using your own audio in Riffusion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.